Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review this QLED screen head unit special for Mazda 3 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, you can check this shipping box. This cable and harness, this facial kit cover, and this head unit, and this screen. Okay, let me show the cable at first. Okay, you can check this GPS antenna, and this original LVDS cable, Mazda LVDS cable for transfer OEM data, OEM car data transfer to our screen. Okay, this is LVDS cable. Okay, and this external microphone. Okay, and this 4G antenna. And this connector on back of head unit. This is 4G SIM card slot. Okay, and there are two USB cable, and this external microphone, this mic, and this you can check is PDIF out single. Okay, and this is connected to our air fan. This AUX detect power 12 voltage. This AMP power. This 12 voltage power. Okay. And this OEM cable, you can check. This Mazda. Okay, and this reserve camera detect wire. This 360 camera RC type, AUX input left and right, and this is camera. This camera 12 voltage wire. This is detect wire. Okay. And this AUX adapter. AUX adapter. And this is AUX 2 cable, left and right. This AUX left and right input 1 cable, AUX 1. This AUX 2. Okay. Let me check. this head unit and this cover dash kit. You can check this back and cover this dash kit. Okay, and this head unit, this connect to screen. This connect screen. This power USB SIM card. This 360 camera. This two display. This 4G GPS LVDS cable. Okay, you can check this high resolution 12.3-inch Mazda 3 head unit. Okay, and you can check this connect this cable, and this power. This power contact on back head unit. You can insert it with tight. This OEM's 360. Okay, this screen. This LVDS cable. You can connect this LVDS cable. This cable connects this place, and this connect to your original. This 4-pin. You can check this 4-pin connect to the to original car. Okay, and this is tree. You can check. This back. This covers that dash kit. This connects the display screen. This connection connect this place. Okay, this high resolution QLED screen. You can check. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit the website Belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.